Okay, hello everyone. It's me, Bestine, and today we are here to continue from the place we stopped in the last lesson. That is the part 2 of the e-commerce website. So today we are going to continue on how to set up the WooCommerce. That is how to set up the where if somebody want to buy to process something, where you will add your account, where you will put some of the details about your account. Okay, so go to dashboard. Start now. You can don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so what we are going to do now, let's go to dashboard first. I'm gonna cut off me. Okay, here we are on the dashboard. So go to menu, WooCommerce setting. Okay, here we are on the WooCommerce settings. So first we have to set this the setting, the general setting. You have to check it. So I have to change some of the thing. If you are ready to sell up to all countries, ship to all countries, okay, shop this address, can set it. Or if you need enable the taxes, you can still set it. If you want to be using coupon code so that you give discount to your customers. Okay, now you have to change this currency to Nigeria naira. Okay, so Nigerian naira. Okay, because in the last video, the price was set to dollar, so you have to change it to Nigerian naira. Okay, so I have to save this first. Save. Okay, so after I save that, we'll move to the next one, which is the product. Product. Click on it. I click on products. Remember, I'm on the WooCommerce setting. This is the plugin that WooCommerce. This is the plugin that allow us to set things on our website using WordPress. So don't forget the shop page. If you need another page for the shop, you can select it and uh, select the page that you need. But I don't need it, and I have already set it on the shop page that I am using. And maybe I just to add cards as they are just loading. That make it very load fast without uh, the internet something like that. Okay, enable star rating. Okay, you can mark all this save. So I don't need to save anything here. So I'll go to shipping. If you want to set the shipping stuff, you can go there and set it. So let's go to payments. Payments. There's nothing you have to do here. You set that up the June so that you charge people according to the Zoom their price. Okay, now we are here on the payment. I've clicked on the payments and we are on the payment panel. So let's go and set up the payment panel. So payments, now you can see we have direct bank transfer. Okay, if you want to use that one, you turn it on, enable. I've enabled it, so I have to click setup so that I can set it and add my account. That is the manual transfer. Sorry. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can find me on YouTube, www.youtube.com/besting. Okay, thank you. So here we are. Direct bank transfer. No, any name you want, if you want to keep change the name, maybe bank transfer, whatever. You can leave it like in the default the description. You can see make your payment directly to this. Okay. Now the account name you write, maybe you write, for example, to Shaibu Lesuru. That is for the account name. The account number, you add something like sorry, wow, the account number. Okay, you can leave it this way. Then the bank, the bank FCMB, FCMB. I can leave all this one just like, just for example. Okay, I want to write all about. Okay, so now click save. Okay, save setting. If you want to add another account, you can press here, add another account. Okay, now the payment has been saved. But if you want, let's go back to the payment. Like if you want to add paper so that people can use paper to pay you, the option is still here. The option is still there. Click payment. Let's go back to it. Okay, the option is still there. If you want to cash on delivery, if you need it, you have to turn it, enable it. If you want to use paper, you can turn it. Understand? But if you don't want to use it, I don't need it now, so I have to turn it off. Okay, I don't need paper now, so I turn it off. So let's go to the third or the fourth side, which is account and privacy. Remember, we are setting the WooCommerce. That is the plugins that allow us to set stuff on our WordPress site. Okay, now allow customer to place order without an account. Allow customer to log in. Allow customer to create an account during checkout. Yes. Allow customer to create an account on when creating an account. No, don't do that. When creating an account, automatically generate an account password. No, select it by yourself. Account raise request, remove personal data from others. Okay. Can leave the default. Save it. It's very simple. It's not something that will take your time. Like 1 hour, everything done. If you really want to set this off. Okay, so that is all for this. If you want to go more, you can go more now. What we need to do now, let's visit the site first. Visit the site. Okay. Now we have set up the account, the account stuff, the payments. Now I don't like this, and I want to remove it. This are called widgets. So I'll go to this customize. This drawing, this brush here is customized. So it's called customize. If you want to customize the site, you click here. So I want to remove those widgets. Okay. I want it to pass 10 minutes. No. I want it to be 10 minutes. Okay. So okay, so go to widgets, scroll down, you see widget here, click it. catalog sidebar. Let's check it whether it's okay. Here they are. So I don't need it. Okay, I don't need it. I have to remove it. Remove categories. I don't need it. Remove it. Or I should leave it. No, I don't need it now. Remove it. Publish. Click publish. Okay, now preview the website. You can see that it has been removed. So now let's order something. Let's see how it is. Now I have some. Let me order this. Order this shirt. Let's go back to the website. Okay, so I want to order something. Maybe I'll click this. Okay, so add to cart and only need one. Okay, see, this is what I add. So I have to remove this. I don't need this. So I want to buy only this one. Proceed to checkout. Now I'm acting as a customer. You understand? So I'm trying to process something. See? Click here to enter your code. So I'll have to fill this. I'm filling my name. Street address, apartment, city, Lago, country, LA, postcode, phone number, email. I don't need this email. Give here your best thing, gmail.com, and not then red back transfer. That is the only way to place order now. Now if you want to add pay stack to the payment stuff, so you have to get the sorry. So if you want to add pay stack to it, you can just get the pay stack this thing plugins. Download it, then you will find it here. It will show up here. You have to set up the pay stack. This order it's not a valid. Oh, so you want me to fill it normal? Sorry, Nigeria. You see, the site is very good. It's detecting that I'm filling nonsense. Oh, okay, place order. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Order received. Thank you. Your order has been received. Order number, November, Bezdin, total, direct bank transfer, billing address. This is the address I filled nonsense, man. Okay, you can see our bank detail. This you can see it here. Where I will send the money to. FCMB account number. Like this. Okay, thank you. So if you want if you are confused anyway, you can drop your comments. You can drop comments on the comment section below. So thank you. Oh, I just get a message. What? Class for buying. Your order has been received. Thank for your order. It is hold until we confirm the payment has been received. In the meantime, it's similar what you are. That is what I order. Okay. Now the site is good. Thank you. Bye. It's me, Best Thing Kalabachani Keto.